Model, 2012 Fiat Doblò Cargo 1.3 MultiJet 16-valve diesel Euro needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 169713. MOT, the 9th of January 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 263A20000A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp